Hello everyone! Today we are going to walk through cleaning our scuba rental gear. While washing our rental gear, it's always best to use running water and a bucket or bathtub with a cleaning and conditioning product. We'll be using Sink the Stink in our bucket, which calls for half an ounce or a single-use packet for every 10 to 20 gallons of water. I recommend filling the bucket or bath before adding your cleaning solution so there isn't an accumulation of bubbles. After cleaning each item, we will hang it up to dry. We recommend drying all the gear outdoors by hanging it on a clothesline, drying rack, or outdoor furniture. The Phoenix sun can be very harsh on our gear, so try to keep it in a shaded area if possible. We'll start by cleaning our dive computer. Be sure to inspect the screen protector for any rocks or debris that can get trapped underneath. Rinse the computer under running water before securing it in a safe place so that it isn't dropped or smashed under other gear while drying. Next, we'll grab our regulator set. We always need to ensure the dust cap is in place by hand tightening to prevent water and debris from damaging the internal components of the first stage. Inspect the primary and secondary regulators to remove rocks, wood chips, or other debris from the exhaust. Using running water, thoroughly rinse the mouthpiece and ports, and then submerge in our cleaning bucket. Do not bend or coil the hoses while drying. To clean our BCDs, we'll start by dumping any excess water from our dive. Then, run fresh water in the inflation hose while holding the oral inflate button to introduce a small amount of water in the bladder. Move this water around to rinse the bladder before dumping it back out. After the bladder is clean, remove the weight pockets and open the zippers to ensure nothing is trapped in these compartments. Fully submerge the BCD and pockets in your cleaning solution. Before hanging up to dry, add one breath in the oral inflation hose to introduce a small amount of air and prevent our bladder from sticking together. For our gear bag, we will start by turning it inside out and dumping any rocks or debris that have been trapped. Rinse the bag under running water to remove excess dust and dirt. Then fully submerge the bag in our bucket, flip it right side out, and submerge once more. Hang the bag to dry completely. Finally, we will clean our wetsuits. If you are provided a hood and gloves, we'll also wash them at this time. To get the best results when cleaning wetsuits, we need to rinse the areas that get the most dirty, such as the knees or crotch, with running water first. Then we can fully submerge the suit and begin rubbing the conditioner into the neoprene. Be sure to turn the wetsuit inside out and repeat on the other side. First, sink the stink to eliminate odors on the wetsuit. It must dry completely without rinsing in fresh water again. To prevent wetsuits and neoprene items from creasing, try to lay them flat or hang them on a sturdy hanger to dry. Once the gear is clean and dry, pack it back in the gear bag and bring it to the shop. We look forward to diving with you again.